You've probably been there. You turn your key and your car hesitates. Or worse, nothing happens at all. The culprit? A weak or dying battery. But here's the shocking truth. Most car batteries don't die because they're old. They die because of neglect. In this video, I'll reveal 10 simple monthly habits that can double your battery's lifespan and save you hundreds in replacements and jump starts. Stick around till the end, because the final trick is something even dealerships don't want you to know, and it can bring a dead battery back to life. Number 1, clean your battery terminals. Regularly, corrosion on your battery terminals is one of the most common causes of weak starts and electrical failure. Over time, the buildup of white or bluish powder around the terminals increases resistance, making it harder for electricity to flow. Every month, pop the hood and check for corrosion. If you see buildup, mix a tablespoon of baking soda with water, dip a toothbrush in the solution, and scrub the terminals gently. Afterward, dry them and apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly or dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. This simple 5-minute maintenance step can prevent hard starts, charging issues, and early battery failure. A small habit that saves you hundreds in the long run. Number 2, check battery voltage. Once a month, your car's battery health can be measured easily with a multimeter, and doing this monthly can alert you before it fails. Set your multimeter to DC voltage and place the probes on each terminal. A healthy battery should read between 12.4 and 12.7 volts with the engine off. If it's below 12.2, your battery is undercharged, and if it's below 12.0, it's weak and needs immediate attention. Running your car with a low-voltage battery forces your alternator to overwork, which can lead to costly damage. By checking voltage monthly, you'll know exactly when your battery starts to weaken, long before it leaves you stranded. Number 3, tighten loose battery connections. Loose battery terminals can cause intermittent electrical issues, from flickering lights to failed starts. It's one of the simplest yet most overlooked causes of battery trouble. Once a month, grab a wrench and gently check if both terminals are tight and secure. Don't over-tighten, as that can damage the posts. A snug fit ensures efficient power transfer and reduces arcing, which can burn your cables and drain your battery slowly over time. Think of it as securing your battery's lifeline. If those connections wiggle, your electrical system struggles, your alternator works harder, and your battery's life gets cut short. Number 4, keep the battery case clean, and dry dirt, grime, and moisture can create a conductive path across your battery surface, leading to a slow drain even when your car's off. Every month, wipe the top of your battery case with a damp cloth or baking soda solution. Make sure it stays clean and dry afterward. Also, look for signs of cracking or bulging on the case. That's a sign of overheating or internal failure. By keeping the exterior clean, you not only prevent power leakage, but also maintain better heat dissipation. A dirty battery can discharge itself overnight, while a clean one holds power efficiently. Number 5, check alternator output. Your alternator is your battery's charging station. If it's undercharging or overcharging, it can silently kill your battery. Once a month, check its output using a multimeter while the engine is running. It should read 13.8 to 14.4 volts. Anything above or below that range means trouble. Overcharging boils the electrolyte, reducing capacity, while undercharging leaves your battery weak and sulfated. If your headlights dim at idle or flicker during acceleration, your alternator could be struggling. Regularly checking ensures your charging system and battery are in perfect sync, preventing premature death and saving you from being stranded. Number 6, inspect battery mounts and hold-down brackets. Vibration is a silent battery killer. If your battery isn't securely mounted, every bump and jolt can cause the internal plates to loosen or crack. Over time, this damage shortens the battery's lifespan and causes sudden failure. Once a month, make sure your battery hold-down bracket is snug and secure. Not overly tight, but firm enough to prevent movement. Also, check for any missing or corroded clamps. A battery that shakes during driving won't just die early. It can also leak acid or damage surrounding components. Keep it stable, and you'll easily add years to your battery's life. Number 7, limit short trips. Constant short trips, like quick grocery runs or school drop-offs, can destroy your battery faster than you realize. Why? because your alternator needs at least 20 minutes of running time to fully recharge your battery after starting the engine. Frequent short drives mean your battery never recovers from the startup draw, leading to sulfation and reduced capacity. Try combining errands into one longer trip, or occasionally take your car for a 30-minute drive to fully charge the battery. It's a simple lifestyle change that makes a huge difference in keeping your battery healthy and strong for years. Number 8. Turn off electrical accessories before shutdown. Leaving your AC, headlights, or radio on when you turn off your engine puts unnecessary strain on your battery during the next startup. It forces your battery to deliver a heavier load every time you start your car. Get into the habit of turning everything off before shutting down, especially in older cars without intelligent power management. Doing this reduces the initial electrical demand and ensures the next start is easier on your battery. This one small habit can mean the difference between a battery lasting 2 years or 6 years. Number 9. Check electrolyte levels for non-sealed batteries. If your car has a traditional lead-acid battery with removable caps, inspect the electrolyte level every month. The fluid should cover the plates inside. If it's low, top it up using only distilled water. Never use tap water, as minerals can damage the internal chemistry. Low electrolyte levels lead to sulfation, reduced performance, and overheating. Maintaining proper levels helps keep your battery's internal reactions stable, ensuring strong starts even in extreme temperatures. Think of this as your battery's hydration. Neglect it, and it dries out long before it's time. Number 10. Use a smart battery maintainer. If your car sits for long periods, maybe you travel often or have a weekend vehicle, use a smart battery maintainer. Unlike old trickle chargers, maintainers automatically keep your battery at the ideal voltage without overcharging it. Plug it in once a month for a few hours, or leave it connected when parked long-term. This keeps your battery topped up and prevents sulfation, the number one cause of dead batteries in unused cars. It's a $30 tool that can double your battery's life and ensure it starts instantly, even after sitting idle for weeks. Your car battery isn't just another part. It's the heart of your entire electrical system. And by following these 10 simple monthly habits, you can make it last 2 to 3 times longer than the average drivers. Which of these tips are you already doing? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to Care Xpert, and share it with someone whose car always dies at the worst time. Until next time, drive smart, stay charged, and keep your car running like new.